Morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi A3 and let me show you how to reset app preferences. First of all, open the settings, then find and select apps over here. Now click on all apps to enroll them, click on more icon and select reset app preferences. And now if you truly want to remove all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, or any other permission restrictions, also as you can see battery usage settings, just mark reset apps. And that's it has been done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.